Hello, my name is Sophie, and in this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about Prevestra. This supplement is designed to increase female libido and improve sexual desire and pleasure. In this video, I will provide you with all the information you need to know about its ingredients, cost, side effects, and effectiveness. But first, I want to warn you not to buy Provestra on third-party websites. The manufacturer recommends purchasing the original product only from their official website, which I have linked in the video description. Prevestra is an all-natural, hormone-free supplement made to increase sexual desire and improve female arousal. It is also effective in managing many of the symptoms associated with menopause and perimenopause. Some of the benefits of Prevestra include increasing vaginal lubrication, reducing the intensity of hot flashes, improving sleep and memory, and reducing irritability and mood swings. Prevestra is made up of all natural ingredients that are gentle and effective, such as arginine, ginseng, black cohosh, ginger root, vitamin A, vitamin B12, and several others. Due to hormonal balance, a slight enlargement of the breasts may occur, but there are no serious side effects associated with Prevestra. However, pregnant women and those taking anticoagulants should not use this supplement. The value of Prevestra depends on the treatment chosen. It is recommended to use the supplement for at least 3 months to allow your body to work together with the formula. The complete treatment for 6 months is the most appropriate. Some women may notice a difference in sex drive and vaginal moisture within a week of using this supplement, while others may require more time. Prevestra may not work for everyone. Some women fail to see the desired effect because they do not follow the manufacturer's guidelines or take the supplement for the recommended period. The manufacturer offers a 6 to 7 day money-back guarantee if you are dissatisfied with the product. In conclusion, Prevestra is an effective, all-natural supplement designed to increase female libido and improve sexual desire and pleasure. It also helps manage many symptoms associated with menopause and perimenopause. Remember to purchase Prevestra only from the official website to ensure you receive the original product and have access to their money-back guarantee. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and don't forget to like and share this video.